Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Kaggle notebook login problems, session access help step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Kaggle website. Once on the Kaggle homepage, locate the login button typically found at the top right corner. Click the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your credentials, including your email address and password. If you encounter an error message, check for any typographical errors in your email or password. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and try refreshing the page. If you still cannot log in, attempt to reset your password. Click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to receive a password reset email. After receiving the email, follow the instructions to create a new password. Return to the Kaggle login page and input your updated credentials. If you are still experiencing issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and attempt to log in again. Another option is to try a different web browser or use incognito mode. If you recently activated two-factor authentication, ensure that you enter the verification code sent to your mobile device. If problems persist, consider checking Kaggle's status page for any ongoing outages or maintenance. You may also seek assistance from Kaggle's support via the Help Center. Gather any error codes or messages you encountered during your attempts to facilitate support. Follow these steps and you should be able to resolve your Kaggle notebook login issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.